Hey guys, today we have just a brand new Panasonic Eluga R. This is a new 4G smartphone launched by Panasonic. Now this phone looks very nice, very cute actually, and it is very lightweight. So you can hardly feel it. This is a very nice build. As you can see, the back is very smooth. There you have your fingerprint sensor and your rear camera and LED flash in a very nice symmetry. It is also very thin at just 8.1 mm here. As you can see, there are your power buttons and volume keys. On the top you have your audio jack and IR blaster. On the bottom end you have your USB port and microphone. On the left hand side you will find your dual SIM slot. Now this phone is a dual SIM device. It supports 4G and another 3G/2G SIM. Now this device also supports the VO LTE if you want to use that. Other than that, here this device is powered by a 1.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 and it is supported by Adreno 306 GPU. It comes with a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It runs the storage can be expanded up to 128 GB via micro SD card. It runs the Android 5.1 Lollipop. As you can see, the interface must feel familiar to the Android 5.1 users here. Now let's go and check some of the settings. Now if you go into the about phone, here you can see it runs the Android 5.1 version, Qualcomm processor. Here, let's also check the storage on this device. Here, as you can see, out of 16 GB, only 11.6 GB is available, which is quite fair for a device of this size actually. Now it has a 4.7-inch screen which comes with HD resolution and IPS display. It has a 2.5D curved display, which is one of the USPs of this phone. The display is very nice, although feels a little harsh in the the colors which are too bright, like the whites here, you can see. Other than that, it feels very fine. Now let's also go and check the camera. Now this device comes with the 8 megapixel rear camera, which is fine. I think not very fast or slow, but just average. In this camera you will find your various modes, like you can go to video. Sorry, somehow it's not doing that. You can go to the video right here, just start, stop. Other than that, there's a Pro mode. The Pro mode allows you to adjust several settings like ISO, white balance here. As you can see, you can decrease the ISO, exposure, the white balance here. Now let's also go and check the front camera. Here, it took a little time, sorry. Now this device has a 5 megapixel front camera, which is, it takes a little time here. You can see you can adjust the exposure right away. You can go to the video from similar, but if you go into the Pro mode, you get some additional settings like exposure, ISO, and white balance. Other than that, some of the other features on this device include of course the fingerprint sensor on the back, which feels very nice and also looks very nice. We have to test it, like how good it performs when you use it several times. Other than that, it comes with your light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, your GPS. The device comes with a 1800 mAh battery, which comes with the Qualcomm quick charging technology, and the Panasonic Eluga R will be available at 12,490. Thank you.